Hi, today I'm going to show you how to enable gesture navigation on your POCO X6 Pro. So, first of all, we're going to open settings and we're going to go to the home screen section. We're going to need to scroll a little bit down right here, and we're going to go down again to the system navigation. And so here you can see two options, buttons and gestures. So to choose gestures, you simply need to press on it like this, and here you have a notification if you would like to learn how to use gestures to maintain your device. You can press learn or you can press not now. And as you can see, no more bar section with the icons right here, so like this. So now no more buttons on your device. How cool is it, right? So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.